So the next concept is list slicing. A subset of element in a list is called a slice of a list. Okay, similar to the string concept, a subset of a list is called slicing. Slice of a list. Okay, selecting a list slice is similar to selecting a character in a string. So we can easily access a range of items in a list by using a slicing operation operator colon. Okay, so this is going to be my list of strings, and I'm going to slice a slice of a list using this slicing operation 1 comma 3. So as I told before, 1 is start and 3 is stop. So I have to start at index 1 and stop at index 3. So this is my index 1 2 3 3. Okay, so this particular slicing operation will start at 1 and stop at 3, which means that b comma c. Remember, the stop index value will not be shown in the output. It should not be referred and it will not be shown in the output. Okay, so what is this? T equal to space colon 4 will say me start from the beginning of the list. This empty space will denote start from beginning of the list, and it has to end at 4. So first, so ABCD will be displayed. Okay, so this is the slicing operation in list. To learn more engineering concepts easily, just don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.